going on? Thank y'all for tuning in today. And for this episode, I want to exactly show y'all how to configure your GCP account, otherwise known as Google Cloud Platform. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm currently in class learning about Google Cloud, AWS, and Azure in the cloud security domain, but I want to start documenting my journey and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. That way, it seems like you're in class with me, and also you get a little bit of hands-on experience as well. This portion right here, I'm going to show you exactly how to configure your Google Cloud Platform step by step. But at the beginning, I just want to show y'all exactly how to set up your account as far as the billing and all that stuff. Yes, you may have to put in your credit card and all that, but at the beginning, if you never use GCP, you actually get $300 worth of credit for free. And unlike, I believe it was Azure, I remember when I set up an account and it was free and I forgot to remember the date and they auto charged me. Well, the cool thing is they say no auto charge after trial ends, which is really good on your end. But let's go ahead and begin. You want to, of course, it's mandatory for you to have a Gmail account. So go ahead and create a Gmail account. I'm not going to do a video on that. If you don't know, just go ahead and look up a YouTube video, but at least have a Gmail account. Mine is hold it down jtraining@gmail.com, wherever you reside at. And here's where you put your payment information here. That actually you have to make a payment profile and then you come down and you add your payment method, which is your credit card and all that stuff. But for your profile, you put your address, your name, and your location. Go ahead and click start free. Gonna let that load. Comes to what describes your organization's needs. I'm gonna just go ahead and put small company. What brought you to Google Cloud? Matter of fact, I'll just put evaluate Google Cloud security because that's what we're here for. Next. And then literally just fill all this stuff up. It's really based off what you want to use it for. I'm using it mainly for like security, virtual machines, all that stuff. So go ahead and click next. Describe your role. Oh, just say security professional. Okay. Now we are finally done configuring our exact GCP, well, setting up our actual account. But now what we have to do is exactly set it up even more as far as creating a project. And we'll do that in another video. Thank y'all for tuning in and see y'all next time.